Look at this scene, a bustling Indian street market. Every day, millions of transactions happen in places exactly like this, and increasingly, they aren't happening with cash. Whether it's buying vegetables or recharging a data plan, digital payments are woven directly into the daily routine of modern India. That sheer volume of daily transactions represents a massive stream of data and fees. The vision presented here involves converting those basic digital tasks into an independent income for anyone with a phone. That is the exact proposition laid out in the business plan for a company calling itself PeMe Digital Solutions Private Limited, or PeMe. Their stated mission focuses on building a reliable network that makes users self-reliant through digital recharges. As we look closer at their documentation, the mechanics point to a highly structured system designed to monetize your social network as much as your phone bill. The document maps out specific routes for the company. It lists its registered office in Gopalganj, Bihar, and sets an official launch date for August 2025. At the top of the corporate structure, it names a single individual, Managing Director Mr. Akhilesh Kumar Yadav. Before the blueprint ever asks a user for money, it spends significant space establishing authority. It does this by putting government certificates front and center. This is the Government of India Certificate of Incorporation provided in their pitch. It officially registers PeMe Digital Solutions as a private limited company. Alongside it, they present a digitally signed e-PAN card linked to the same corporate entity, checking the boxes for tax compliance. Leading with administrative paperwork is a standard structural choice for this type of presentation. By leaning on the credibility of state seals, the pitch creates a baseline of trust right before introducing the financial requirements to join. Technically, anyone can sign up for free, but the plan immediately bottlenecks those free users, capping their benefits at a tiny 2 rupee or 2% cash back, and strictly limiting that to just 2 transactions per month. To bypass that hard limit, the blueprint lays out a mandatory 3-step funnel. Register your sponsor, update your KYC documentation, and crucially, start your business by purchasing a starter package. This is where we see the introduction of an internal metric called business volume, or BV. When you spend real rupees, they convert into this platform-specific value. BV is the true engine of the platform. Your accumulated business volume dictates your rank, your commission rates, and your exact placement within the broader organizational hierarchy. The severe restrictions placed on free accounts serve a clear purpose. They push active users to buy into those BV-generating tiers if they want to see any meaningful return. When it comes time to buy in, the blueprint offers 4 distinct entry points, with an 18% GST already baked into the sticker price. This chart illustrates the progression. The floor is the basic pack, costing 99 rupees and granting 75 BV. From there, the steps grow steeper. Users can opt for the Smart Pack at 499 rupees for 375 BV, or the Prime Pack at 999 rupees, which secures 750 BV. The ceiling outlined here is the Premium Pack. At 1,999 rupees, it yields 1,500 BV, visibly dwarfing the initial entry tier. By laying out these prices sequentially, the model creates a constant psychological incentive. It suggests that paying more upfront is the only way to qualify for the highest potential margins the system offers. Once a user has paid for a package, the blueprint lists more than 10 distinct income streams designed to reward participation. The first major group relies heavily on direct recruitment. These are the active incomes, bonuses earned when you refer a new user and when your team hits specific recharge levels. Then it outlines a series of passive incomes, like the active and inactive user company turnover pools and team royalty shares, which require maintaining specific network benchmarks. Finally, it lists aggressive time-sensitive rewards, weekly club bonuses, leadership payouts, and monthly bonanzas, all engineered to trigger a fear of missing out. When you look at the sheer volume of these incentives, a distinct pattern emerges. The rewards are overwhelmingly skewed toward building out a complex downline of new recruits, rather than simply processing local mobile recharges. The platform's utility as a digital service provider functions as a gateway to an economic model built on tiered upgrades. To fund those 10 different incentive streams and continuous tier upgrades, like moving from a basic to a prime pack, the system inherently demands a steady, unbroken flow of new capital arriving from the bottom. The document spells it out mathematically. This is a highly structured digital multi-level marketing program. It takes a genuine daily necessity, paying your phone bill, and uses it as the entry point for a complex team-building enterprise. By deconstructing how the BV metrics, package tiers, and recruitment funnels operate here, you now have the exact framework needed to spot the underlying math in almost any modern digital network pitch.